How to enable developer options on Samsung phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or turn on developer options within the settings on your Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the developer options on a Samsung phone give you the ability to change different aspects and different settings that are not available without turning on the developer option. So it's just another set of settings that you can change. So to turn it on, all we need to do is first swipe up from the bottom, find the settings app, open up the settings app, then scroll all the way down to the bottom and select About Phone. Once in About Phone, select Software Info. And then all we need to do in Software Information here is scroll down, find Build Number, and just tap Build Number 10 times. So I'm just going to do it. You'll see it start counting down. Keep tapping until you see where you need to unlock or confirm your PIN. So I'm going to do that. Then I'll select Continue. And then as you can see, it's going to ask if we want to allow development settings, select OK. And now when we go back to the main page of the settings and scroll all the way down to the bottom, we'll see developer options, select that. And now we're in the developer options for our Samsung phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.